Namaskar. So this is Dr. Rohit Gupta, and today we are going to discuss about position of COVID-19 patients. So there are lots of people who are getting panic over the oxygen saturations, and what they are doing is that they are just running after the oxygen, running for the oxygen cylinders. But we need to know that when do we need the oxygen cylinder exactly. So if your aspirate O2 is more than 90, and if it is 91, 92 or till 94, if it is getting below the 94, you have to be a little worried about the same, and you can go for certain position which is going to help in maintaining the oxygen saturation. But if it is going less than 85 or 80 or less than 88, then you have to be more worried and looking for the oxygen. Now I'm going to teach you certain position which you can have at your home if you are suffering from the COVID-19 right now. So here we have a model today. Come over here. So we have an alveoli in our lungs which are more open when we lie down on our stomach in the prone line. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to ask him to lie down on his prone position. So lie down for me, hold it. So what you can do is you can ask your patient to lie down onto the prone position, which keeps your alveoli of the lungs open, and which is a very comfortable position for the COVID patients. So that improves your oxygen flow. So don't get panic if your oxygen is 94 or 95 or 93. You can just go for this position, and that's going to improve it. What else you can do with the same is you can go for 30 minutes position in this position, and you can go for 30 minutes for sideline. Go for the sideline for me. So you can go for 30 minutes into the sideline off to the right side, then you can go for towards me 30 minutes to the opposite side. So you can go for 30 minutes on your stomach, 30 minutes to your right side, 30 minutes to your left side, and that's going to give a much better inflow of the oxygen to the lungs. Now if it is getting more affected, if the saturation is even going more down, you can also go for a much better position into the prone. Come again for me. And you can just use two pillows. You can use two pillows right under below the chest area, above the thigh area. That's what you can use. Just come over there. So just put two pillows right over here, and one pillow down to the neck, and just facing your side. So this is again a very good positions to allow the lungs again, just go a little down, yeah, to allow the lungs again to breathe more effectively, to have a much better saturation. So this is a really good position for the COVID-19 patient. Now what you can do to improve your ventilation, so there are some exercises which you can do on your own, or you can take the help of someone if it is someone is around you. But if you are suffering from the COVID-19 right now, you can go for certain exercises yourself. So let me just guide you certain exercises. So see the little, go into the supine position. Yes. So what you can do is the first thing so we have a diaphragm muscle here, and diaphragm is the chief respiratory muscles. So it's very important to work on the diaphragmatic breathing, which actually affects your lungs capacity. It improves your saturation as well. So what you can do is that here we have the diaphragm just right here. So you can ask a person to put the hand onto one hand on the diaphragm, the thumb here, and you can ask the person to put one hand on the chest area. And now you can ask for breathing from the nose. So you have to breathe in from the nose, and you have to breathe out from the mouth. Once you are breathing in, the abdominals and the lungs should blow, and once you are breathing out, it should sink actually. So can I ask you to breathe in and out from the mouth? Feel here. So you have to focus on this diaphragm. Breathe in and breathe out from the mouth. This is really effective. You can also do this exercise into the sitting. Sit up for me. Get your legs down. So keep it here. Breathe in and breathe out, and breathe in and breathe out. Yeah, lie down again for me. To make it more effective, what you can do is that you can apply some resistance on the diaphragm movement. So you can again put your thumbs over here and I say breathe in and breathe out. इससे रोको थोड़ा सा. Breathe in and breathe out. So mild resistance again stimulates it further to get it to the more breathing. Now I can work on sternal breathing. So we do have an area here which is called sternum. Right here, right below to the clavicle into the middle sternum. So I can again ask, or you can do on your own, putting your hands here, and then you can do breathing with having focus in this area. And I want the chest to go up and out. So breathe in, lambi saans lo, and breathe out. And breathe in and breathe out. If you are a physiotherapist and you are working with the patient, once the patient turns negative, you can use the resistance with your palm area and you can just put there, breathe in and breathe out. And now I'm just creating a little resistance, breathe in more and breathe out. As a PNF therapist, I can also work with the stretch reflex, so I can say just breathe in and breathe out. And if I just give a quick stretch, breathe in and breathe out, and I get much better initiation of the lungs area, and that helps me again to regain it. Now come in the sitting for me. As a patient of COVID-19, you can also go for the simple exercises, which is one of the way of holding your both the hands together, and then you can go up and you can breathe in at the same time. Lambi saans lo. And once you are coming down with the arm, breathe out from the mouth. So नाक से सांस लेना, मुंह से छोड़ना है. Go again. And then you can come down and breathe out. So this is one of the best way to keep your lungs healthy. If you are feeling the weakness in your body, you can go for gentle resistance training, or you can go for active training of your muscles. You can go for active arms training. You can go for some legs training. So that's the way to keep yourself healthy during the COVID. So don't get panic. But one thing you have to keep in mind, that when you're lying down on the prone position, if you have any pain in your chest area, if you are a patient of heart patient, you need to ask to your doctor. If you are pregnant, it might be difficult for you to lie down on your stomach. So there are certain limitations for the same. If you are feeling any pain or discomfort, then you have to get back to the normal position. Thank you for watching the video. Just share it among the people. Thank you.